So I want to do a real quick video of this carbon fiber vinyl wrap that I put in here. It's from EV Wraps, and I'll put the link below. But here's my Nomad, by the way. You can watch my other video on that. But it's just a wrap that wraps around that glossy part. It's similar to putting on like a screen protector. You kind of put it on, and then you make sure all the bubbles are out. And the good thing about this is that if you screw up like I did, you can see just right there where I didn't make it fit perfectly. They will send you a free piece for one of the three, so you have to choose which one you want. So this is probably the most common one they send out, but they send out a free piece, another one, and I'll try to put that on another time. They give you like a little squeegee thing too to push it all out. So yeah, I think it wasn't too pricey for what I got, and it worked pretty well. A little DIY thing to make your thing look better. And I'm gonna next do it on the dash here. There's actually the TS Sport line, and some other places. RPM Tesla has a cover that goes on. I'm going to try that out. But do that, and next we're going to do the carbon fiber here, and that I think will be looking pretty good. So as always, please subscribe when you see that little Average Joe button pop up, and comment with any questions. Thanks.